Here are the top ways to prevent viruses in a computer. 1. Keep your operating system and software updated. Software updates often include security patches to fix vulnerabilities. 2. Use strong passwords. Avoid using simple or easily guessable passwords. 3. Install an antivirus software. An antivirus program can detect and remove viruses and other malicious software. 4. Be cautious when downloading files and emails. Don't download attachments or files from unknown or suspicious sources. 5. Enable firewalls. Firewalls help block unauthorized access to your computer. 6. Avoid clicking on pop-ups and links. Pop-ups and links can contain malware, so be careful what you click on. 7. Use a pop-up blocker. Pop-up blockers can prevent malicious pop-ups from appearing. 8. Back up your important data. Regularly backing up your data can help protect it from viruses and other threats. 9. Keep your web browser up to date. Browsers are often targeted by malware, so make sure you're using the latest version. 10. Educate yourself. Stay informed about the latest security threats and how to protect yourself. Thank you. I hope you guys have learned a lot from my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Ronald Lawrence Bautista and click on the bell button to be updated for new videos. Good day.